Searching for the perfect student pad in Brighton? Your search ends here. Welcome to Pavilion Point, where student living meets ultimate convenience and comfort. Choose your ideal space from stylish en-suites and studios, each equipped with a cozy bed, a desk and chair for study sessions, and plenty of room for all your belongings. But wait, there's more. Dive into a vibrant lifestyle with fantastic amenities. Chill with friends in the lounge area, get your workout in at the on-site gym, and relax with a coffee in the cozy coffee area. Rest easy with 24/7 CCTV keeping you safe. Plus, forget the hassle of separate bills. Utilities are all included in your rent, saving you money. The location is unbeatable. King's Brighton and Bellerbys College are within walking distance, so no more morning travel hassles. Grab your favorite brew at Costa or satisfy your sweet tooth at Heavenly Desserts Brighton. Need groceries? Asia Mart Supermarket is just around the corner. And with nearby bus stops like London Road stops, getting around the city is a breeze. Ready to make Pavilion Point Brighton your new home? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.